Hi, April Cox here, and I'm the creator of Self Publishing Made Simple. Today, I'm going to share some exciting news. I have a resource library that we are just getting ready to release, and this is just absolutely amazing. It is going to help so many people to launch their children's book from beginning to end. This has just been my baby for the past couple of years. So, without further ado, I'm just going to walk through some of the things for you. Here is my resource library. I have everything from planning resources, building your team, sales and marketing, illustration, layout, the publishing process, printing resources, and even bonus video content. Hundreds of hours that are made available for those who would like to take advantage of that. So I'm just going to go through and walk through some of this content here. I have the self publishing timeline that takes you through the publishing process in 12 weeks or less. We have a budget spreadsheet. So if you need to know how much it's going to cost, I've got you covered. How about a checklist of step by step everything that you need to get done for your children's book? It's here. Your perfect reader, an avatar, the research required, and a worksheet to help you along with it. And I love mind maps. So I have created a list of 4 different mind maps, provided the guide and the templates and guidance of where you can find a free tool so that you can utilize this as well. For those of you that are building a new team, how about a non-disclosure agreement, a work for hire contract that protects your rights as the author? Assignment of copyright for those of you that haven't used that contract and need to make sure that you get those rights transferred. We have a list of the personal recommendations that I have for editors, illustrators, designers, formatters, people that you can trust. And now you'll have them as part of my resource library. Next, there's a huge amount of tools around sales and marketing, from marketing plan to media kit and samples and how-tos. Children's book awards, the whole list of awards based on the ones that we have pre-vetted and talked through what you can expect and those that you can trust. How about a marketing plan? A list of over 700 children's book influencers. How about additional marketing resources? 70 plus book marketing, free and paid sites, and some school visit templates and tools that you can use. And of course, how to get your press release out there and some sample press releases. We have graphic design layout templates that you can use for laying out your book yourself. How about cover mock-ups? You want to do some fancy things and posts on your YouTube, on your social media. Grab these templates, drop your book cover in it, and your styling. We also have file setup calculators, graphic design templates, the Illustrator information and processes for you, and then lots and lots of information on setting up your Amazon ads. Amazon keywords, categories. So once you publish that book, you are going to need to have some great keywords. I've got over 1,000 keywords here, phrases that have low competition. I've got categories that will help you get discovered and get that bestseller badge sooner rather than later. And I also have a list of printers and quotes that can help you make good decisions. And finally, last but not least, a list of bonus content with videos and a bunch of supplemental content and my instruction. And I'm wrapping that up today with a bonus, some one-on-one coaching and consulting with me. So if you're ready, click below and get more information about this. And I hope to see you inside.